We are here, Mill Creek Park. So we are going to stay here for 3 days and 2 nights. Nice park. We can go fishing. They have a lantern post, they have a fire pit, and a nice shade. Paano yun? Nandun yung awning sa kabila. Okay lang? Okay lang, no? Kasi andyan ang ano eh.
Okay na po.
Bayan na tayo.
So, paano na?
Ano, please proceed to your side. Okay. Video natin yan. So, it says here, please proceed to your park. Checkout time is at 2 p.m. Check-in is at 3. And they don't have anybody on site. So, we're just gonna proceed to our campsite.
Where's the map?
Campsite number 26. 26.
Map.
We don't have a map. We're just gonna go ahead and look for our campsite.
Ano tayo?
26. Oh, it's nice. It's nice in here. And it's chilly. 26. So guys, we are now here in Mill Creek.
1 to 46.
And we are going to turn left. Campsite number 26. Okay, there you go, guys. It's not only us who enjoyed, but our fur babies enjoyed it so much. So if you have chance, come visit here, Mill Creek Park, and you can do reservations online, and it's super easy to do a reservation. Okay, thank you for watching. Once again, my name is Michelle. Happy camping. Hello, guys. It's sunset here in Mill Creek. Let's go look at the sunset right here. Gosh, beautiful sunset. There we go. Whew, it starts to get chilly, but I don't mind. It's fine. You gotta witness this beautiful creation. It's just so serene, relaxing, magnificent, and this is what we wanted. This is our kind of relaxation. Look at the sunset. Beautiful. Oh my god, I can't help but to just, be in so much awe with the beauty of this park. It is our first time, and we fell in love right away. It's just plain beauty. So much beauty in this place.